Hi everyone, Rob Howitt, RJH Motorbike Training. Just come out to go for a ride actually and noticed just wheeling the bike out, fairly fresh, but a screw embedded in the back wheel. I'm gutted. Anyway, stay tuned, watch the video. I'm going to show you how I can repair this in about 5 or 10 minutes, get it repaired, and it's a good repair on it. And it'll save you time being on the side of the road on the lay-by, waiting for AA or whoever RAC to come out. But it also save you some money. I mean, the tyres still got quite a bit of tread left in it, and I don't really want to replace it. I will replace it if I have to, but I'm going to repair it, and I should. In the past, anyway, I've certainly saved myself getting a new tyre at that time. Very important that you've got the right tool. So the toolkit here, find the link below, but it costs you under £10. There's a hand drill to make the hole bigger in order that I can get a repair strip in. Special tool to do that. It's got a gap in the top, so when I push it in and pull it out, it doesn't bring it back out with it. Very important. Blade just to trim it off at the end. Some glue, drill, and don't forget your foot pump. Okay, your foot pump. I'm going to try and minimize the air coming out. So first thing I'm going to do is prepare me drill. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the magic formula in this glue, because not only is it a bit of a lubricant, but it does make the rubber more manageable. It almost sort of loosens it up a little bit. So I've got that ready. Got my drill ready. As I said, it's fairly fresh. It's not been in there for long. I bet I got it just down the flipping road. So taking that out. What's that? Oh, good. 2-inch screw. As soon as I try not to release too much air, get that straight in. It's so much easier to get that in when there is air in the tyre, look. All right? You can see how I'm just using my finger as well as a guide, but I want a nice, not hardly any air come out of there. So that's a good. I'm quite happy with that. A little bit more glue to go in. Seal that. That's good. Gonna leave that in there. Get myself a metal strip ready. Fairly flat on the end. So there's a gap there, look. So what we're doing, I'm going to put that in about halfway. When that goes in, look like that. It's very tacky. It's a very tacky rubber. It's about right. So let's get that ready to come out. As soon as I bring that out, I want that to go in. There. Stop the air. What I'm doing is using my finger is a marker to stop me pushing it all the way in. The last thing I want to do is push it all the way in, because I have to do it again. So go there. So I've got both. Pull this out. Bit of excess is good. There you go. Hardly any air's come out. fine. Blade, trim off any excess. And that's job done in about 5-10 minutes. So in all, simple, easy to use with the right tools. Hope you like the video. Commenting away. Any questions? Please subscribe. It does help. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.